So I'm just got this in. As you can see, my grill, you know, I mean, it's standard dirty grill. And I usually use the brush, one of these, but you know, after a while, it's just, you know, you end up getting another one. It's just not really as clean as I want it. So I saw these on Amazon, and I was hoping that they worked. So let's try them out. I'm going to fast forward the process of cleaning. I mean, it's pretty boring, but as you can see, this is a before picture. I might even do the, I don't know what those are called underneath. That's another one there. I'm going to see if I can get it shiny, and see if I can replace that brush with this and see how well it works, or it doesn't work. Thought I'd just give you a measurement of the item. I have pictures of it also, of me measuring it. Feels like a light piece of stone, sort of like a hard styrofoam, or you know, that packaging stuff that comes in packages, that cushiony stuff, but a very light and like a very light stone. All right, let me fast forward the rest. That's how it looks.
Better GRILLIN Scrubbin Stone Grill Cleaner Scouring Brick / Barbecue Grill Brush / Barbecue Cleaner for Barbecue Griddle, 2 pk cost, $10.97. Purchased on Amazon, 2 count, barbecue grill cleaning block for faster, safer, efficient cleaning of barbecue grills, racks, griddles and other utensils made of steel or iron than using wire brushes. Ecologically sound, green product, harmless to health, non-allergenic, non-toxic, odorless thanks to the bacteriostatic properties of the recycled glass. Cellular block bacteria such as E. coli, Salmonella, and other microorganisms won't grow in the block powerful enough to get rid of encrusted grease, dirt, and stubborn grime with light pressure applied, made of recycled glass, heated and treated in a method similar to formation of volcanic pumice stone, and wears down much like pumice stone from the manufacturer. Better GRILLIN banner. Better GRILLIN Scrubbin Stone Scrub Glass. Chemicals. Food. Easier cleaning. Effortlessly scrub away encrusted grease and dirt. Environment friendly. Made from recycled glass, not pumice stone, which inhibits bacteria growth. Safer. Safer alternative to wire bristle brushes and to chemical products. Non-toxic and chemical-free. Better tasting food. Cleaner grill makes cleaner food without any pieces of wire surfaces. Scrubbin Stone. Scrubbin Stone. Take the hard work out of cleaning your grill with compacts. Better GRILLIN Scrubbin Stone that scours and scrubs easily with little effort to remove cooked on grime and grease. Surfaces. Barbecue grills, oven griddles, flat tops, oven trays, cookie sheets, pizza pans, Dutch ovens, cast iron skillets, and other steel or iron utensils. Product description. Size 2 count. Don't be afraid to get your grill on this summer, because the Better GRILLIN Scrubbin Stone makes swift and easy cleanup a breeze. Nobody wants to spend time slaving over a hot grill and then have to come back later to clean off stuck on grime and grease. The Better GRILLIN Scrubbin Stone scours your grill quickly and efficiently, wearing away as it works, with powerful bactericidal properties that prevent the spread of bacteria such as E. coli, Salmonella, and other microorganisms, and leaves your grill fresh and clean for your next cookout. Made of 100% glass that's been heat treated, the better GRILLIN Scrubbin stone is engineered similar to the formation of volcanic pumice stone with rigid properties that won't absorb liquids or steam, which contribute to the growth of harmful and dangerous bacteria. Pumice stone is extremely lightweight but strong enough to be used as an abrasive, and like pumice stone, the grill stone wears down over time and can scratch some surfaces. You only need apply slight pressure to get results. The more pressure you apply, the faster the Scrubbin stone will wear down. Thanks to the exclusive manufacturing process, a totally hygienic and bacteria-free product is obtained, with powerful properties that remove encrusted grease and dirt, ideal to get rid of the most stubborn grime, particularly from flat-top griddles, grills, oven trays, and other kitchen or cooking utensils made of iron or steel. Better GRILLIN Scrubbin stone is best used after the grill has cooled down and only warm to the touch. Product information. Size 2 count. Product dimensions 3.25 x 3.88 x 4.25 inches. Item weight 4 ounces. Manufacturer Compaq Industries ASIN B00 Ajapu 3M. Item model number COMPACBABYBUDDY Magic Grill Stone 2 stones.
This is the aftermath. I really, I'm going to tell you, I don't like it. And I'm going to tell you why. First, that's all that's left. After doing one good cleaning. But I scrubbed everything. It works. It's a lot of physical labor. It does work. I just don't like that it leaves the residue around. I'm hoping that that's not, that I'm worried about the residue left over. I'm hoping it doesn't cause harm. I mean, what I ended up doing after scrubbing it was actually hosing everything down. And I brought the grill to like 500 degrees to make sure anything left over, any residue or whatever, was either washed away with the water, with the hose, or was burned away with the heat. I don't like that. I don't trust the residue in this day and age. I just don't like stuff that leaves residue around when it comes to food. I don't like it. It does the work. It does a great job, but I think I'm better off with pulling these out, getting a Brillo pad, getting my hose, going to my yard, scrubbing it one day, and then putting it back. Doing that, once a month should keep, everything clean, and keep using the brush. I'll just have to keep buying brushes. The brushes themselves, they're not much. You can buy them for 50 cents to $1 in Walmart. So they're kind of like, affordable to throw away. I don't suggest throwing them away. I mean, we've become a throwaway society, and I hate saying it, but they are cheaper, so you can use them for one summer and then have it replaced and recycle the other one, the old one. They're very cost effective, so you could just keep recycling the brushes. So I'll be going to Walmart to be buying a new brush to replace this one, and I'll recycle this one, metal and plastic, and I'll be using that. I'm not going to use this. I purchased it already. I'll keep it around, but I don't like that it leaves that residue. It's like a fine dust, and I'm hoping that's not bad for you. So just a warning, I don't like that it does that. It probably says it's safe or whatever, but still, yeah, I guess it's telling you to wipe it with damp cloth so it takes off the residue. I think it left too much dust, so I ended up actually, like I said, rinsing it out. So if you do use this, I suggest taking this out and rinse out everything you use, and then bring the barbecue to a certain amount of heat to make sure Anything left over hopefully will be burned away, but I don't even suggest using it. So I hope you liked the video. I hope it was informative, and I hope it helped. Thank you. Bye.